Hi, this is Jeremy Bryden with Core Squared Software Solutions. Today, as always, I'll be doing a quick little update for DwarfCraft. Right now, we've added a couple of new features. A lot of them have been under the hood and also for gameplay features. We've also added some new graphic styles, so the dwarves have been replaced with a very isometric SNES kind of sprite pixel art. I think these are very fluid, it matches the style that we're looking for, and overall looks well. It fits really well with the world. So I have to thank our artist, our new artist, in fact, Programgamer. I'll link him to the description or in the description of the video. So another new feature, if I zoom out, would be the Ambient Occlusion. What that means is essentially a new shadow system for the entire overworld. So what's nice is this side of the mountain has shadows because the sun point, so the origin of the sun is on the other side of the mountain, which is again why if we rotate around 180 degrees, this side has no shadows. And this is really visible with the trees, so if I go ahead and zoom in on the trees, you can see that each tree kind of has a shadow that's being cast down from a 45-degree angle, and again, that's because the sun is coming from the corner. It looks particularly well when you start digging underground, so let me go ahead and do that. I'm going to assign my dwarves a new designation. You'll also notice on the bottom we have a new icon system to go ahead and maybe simplify and divide up some of the commands. So instead of having just designations, we have a build system. We also have a designations, which was the original grouping, stockpiles, and zones. So zones are kind of very generic, animal pens, halls. Stockpiles, the classic, one stockpile for weapons, wood, food, etc. Designations are essentially just world editing features, and then building is also just specific placement of buildings, so sometimes workbenches or sometimes a farm, very similar to what's already built in for Dwarf Fortress. So we can see these dwarves are working pretty well together. One of the new features that was a big fix for the previous version of the game has been the new job distribution system. So unlike the previous version, these are all based on multiple locks. Things are very effectively and efficiently done. And there's no data being locked multiple times, which was a race condition that the other old job system had. So right now, nothing kind of gets screwed up. The runtime's very clean. You also notice that items are falling to the ground, just like before, but if we were to dig again, which we will do in a minute, they'll continue falling down. So I'm going to be quiet for the rest of the video. I'm just going to go ahead and tell them to mine a little bit more. Let me intersect the world so I could do that. Once we get them stuck... Since we'll be forcing them to dig a little bit deeper than they could jump out to, I'll be digging a little hallway back to the main world. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, visit www.chorus2.com, or if you want to just email me, it's jbryden@chorus2.com. As always, thanks for watching.